How to log in BBSI Payroll account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our official help desk. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of how you can get logged into your BBSI account online. So without any further ado, let us get started with the process. Open up any of your preferred web browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. Then at the top search bar, type in BBSI login. As you have done that, you will see My BBSI login. Just tap open that link. Then you will get leaded onto this page. Here, simply type in your email address at the box that says enter email. Once done, type in your password at this second white box and tap on login. In case you have forgotten your password, tap on reset my password and get help resetting your account. And if your credentials matches your account, you will successfully get logged into it. And just like so, this is how you do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.